All right, boys. Now listen.
Huh. Woo! Why are we doing this as if you're about to play a match or
No,
something?
because inshallah the next location will be in Delhi or the next location will be in Bombay.
Why?
You never know.
Why?
Someone will invite us.
Why we randomly go to people's houses
No.
and just three of us?
We put this out on YouTube saying that, hey, if you want us to come and do a normies at your place, we'll be there. You don't need to buy our tickets. We'll just come and crash at your place. Give us some home food.
2-15 हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं बच्चे ठीक है वो बुलाएंगे टक 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 नमस्ते आंटी आपके बच्चे ने बुलाया आज हम शूटिंग कर
Yeah.
All right, good day to everybody. Welcome to Normies React, another episode. Rohan, stop fucking doing that. All right, I see that expression
Why?
one
What
more
is he
time.
doing?
He's like, oh my god, oh look at him. All right, so yeah, so this time I'm Niladri, and the Normies this time are Shayan Bhattacharya over there to your camera, to your camera.
Oh, acha.
Shayan Bhattacharya and Rohan Cariappa, and we decided after a lot of discussion that we will react. I mean, they will react to K-pop videos. Now, a heads up to the normies, Rohan and Shayan, that K-pop videos are of very high quality. The music is stupendous. The production values are tops.
That good.
They are phenomenal.
like MV Vantai level
No, actually,
क्यों
Rohan.
क्यों कर रहे हो यार?
that reminds me ने मैं this was a segue
इतना प्यार मिला है in the
This
last
was-
10
Yeah,
days.
so this is what Rohan and Niladri were talking to each other about. That at the beginning of this episode, we should talk about what happened on their respective social media profiles, not mine, after the last video. What happened, Rohan?
तो मेरे साथ तो ये हो चुका है so I knew how that it's going to come and how to handle is ignore कि बच्चे क्या कर सकते हैं नीलाद्री सर didn't know तो उनको like 20 comments back to back मादरचोद Imagine.
यार random videos में यार motherchod. You call me Gandu, motherchod, this thing, you have your right to opinion, just like how I have mine. No problem. But I don't come to your house and graffiti with spray paint, motherchod. That's what you're doing it as a digital imprint on my pictures. So grow up, you little cunts. Okay? I know you like him, alright? But I have a right to my opinion. But you're most welcome to join in. Get involved.
Listen तो आपको मजे लेने चाहिए जैसे
मैं
मैंने
मजे ले रहा हूँ मैं मजे ले रहा हूँ
सुनो तो जब मैंने शेट्टी साहब का वीडियो रिमूव किया 4 मिनट का क्लिप मैंने स्टोरी डाली आई डिडंट मेंशन कि मैंने किसका क्लिप रिमूव किया जस्ट दैट कि मैंने 4 मिनट का क्लिप रिमूव कर दिया आई न्यू व्हाट्स गोना हैपन तो कुछ एमवीए मीम पेजेस thought ki I have succumbed to the pressure and I've removed MVA's bit. So they took that screenshot and announced themselves as the winner of that video. And then they had to delete that post when they found out कि मैंने शेट्टी साहब का delete किया.
Yeah.
But there was one page, MVA page, जिसने actually only one जिसने appreciate किया. MVA meme page. That was surprising, pleasantly surprising.
Yeah, I got no hate. I got one hater. Tala Anjum के किसी ने कुछ तो
क्योंकि
बोला.
आपने बोला था ना कि कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला रैप से because तेरे को नहीं आता.
अच्छा ऐसा. I don't remember. This guy's name is HET something. Okay. So he did this whole message. तू गांडू है, तू ये है, तू वो है करके ऐसा लगा. I replied saying HET नाम है उसका. I replied saying तेरे नाम का spelling तूने गलत लिखा हुआ है. वो सब छोड़. Then he goes into
ignored the joke.
हाँ, then he goes to conciliatory mode. Then he again tries, and at the end he's saying sorry तेरे को बुरा लगा था. And then he comes in, बाकी नाम वाला joke समझ नहीं आया. See your own name, you'll get it.
और एक बंदा listen if MVA fans are actually watching this he must be a very good human and I respect him for that but maybe I don't like his music and I don't need to be hated for that and if you want to hate me that's okay I don't know you alright so there's no pressure on me
Right.
so yeah MVA you rock man and whatever you've done I mean good on you but maybe I don't like his music having said that one of MVA's fans I just put up something on my Insta story and he told me he just came बकचोदी बंद कर आगे बढ़ मतलब मेरा Instagram story है मेरा स्पीड पे है तुम कौन होते हो भाई क्यों बकचोदी बंद कर like I felt like my tuition teacher screaming at me like finish that okay nice joke now do that math मैंने क्या किया यार
बकचोदी बंद कर आगे बढ़ा
बकचोदी बंद कर आगे बढ़. And I thought he's an elderly person. He's like 16 or 17.
I put up a story saying that hey, we are going to react to new advertisements, right? Everybody sending me suggestions. Okay, put this, put that, put that. This one voice note which comes in. सिंपाद्री चूतिया को जानता है? उसको बोल गांड मरा है.
Like a pigeon.
Like, how do you think the call would go, Niladri? Are you free right now? This one guy told you. So if you can engage in some gand marawing activities, it'll really help them.
You wanted Shine to act as a pigeon.
All right, no, K-pop.
No, but I love you guys. Keep it coming.
Yeah.
All right. So K-pop is what we're going to be reviewing today, and I would like you. Let me tell you. Give you a hint. I'm not like Rohan. I don't want to win as a host.
Lovely.
Yeah. But let me give you both a hint.
Yeah.
Be very observant. Very observant. Look at the frame. Look at everything.
Okay.
And watch the video because questions might not be about the views or the subscribers or anything. It could be about something that you will have to deduce.
Okay.
Because their videos are fucking super.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. Let's go.
The first video. Go for it.
Oh, I'm sorry, did I make you anxious? 오묘하게 움직여 like 숨죽여 먹잇감을 사냥하 반복되는 기상 소굴인 비상 빨간 siren 더 꺼 이제 너와 나 감각 따윈 없어 no more pain 어차피 너와 나는 love away 미친 듯이 원하고 증오해 I'm a slay, I'm a chill, I'm a kill 지금부터가 반전 더 트리거에 땡겨 우린 전부 psycho 반쯤은 나 미쳐 모든 걸 다 던져 Get your pocket
You know how they look like these guys. वो Indian saloons के बाहर they would put these pictures up, no?
Right.
Huh? This different hairstyles. Everybody looks like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
they're
the
well
ads-
groomed. They're all very
Very
well
groomed.
groomed.
Models
very,
for
very
Indian
chocolatey.
saloon.
Very chocolatey. For lack of better words.
No, but no. But I generally have a question. And not that I've seen too many of them.
Yeah.
What like is facial hair not a part of the K-pop culture?
It's not that. If you look at it, when you look at it geographically, once you go
Towards the east.
towards the east, facial hair reduces in a man or a
Genetically.
woman's body. It's with the genes.
Oh, I didn't know this.
So you know, look at it. Look at India.
didn't know
I
this.
mean, once we start, moving away from West Bengal. I mean, probably from Darjeeling side
towards the eastern
towards
side,
the
northeastern side of
northeastern
India.
side, you don't find hairy bears, just walking around. So if you're expecting Koreans to have a lot of hair on your face, then you failed in fucking geography. When you
I don't
went-
think that
never-
teach you
I
in
never-
geography.
Geography
you
was-
need, you need to figure out. They teach you about trees. Trees teach you about hair.
How?
No, एग्जाम्पल बताओ. अभी कोडेकनाल के आपने ट्रीज पता है?
Kodaikanal में आए हैं.
हाँ.
You have deciduous forests over
Okay.
here. You have coniferous trees over
Okay,
here.
so what-
You have different. Now, if you go towards Mudumalai, for example, you want to have big trees. Things change. The whole thing changes.
Okay.
Just like, for example, you might get a lot of hairy people in some parts of our own country.
Very nice.
But when you move towards the east, it all changes. So just now, it's synonymous
How
with
does
jungles.
deciduous forest
हाँ,
affect
so
your
that
beard growth?
that
Explain that. चलो.
No, ये चलो ऑफ टॉपिक जा रहे हैं. एक्सप्लेन करने के बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा.
इन लोगों से मैं बात नहीं करना चाहता हूँ अभी, क्योंकि मैं हॉलिडे पे
So,
हूँ.
so you're saying Korea doesn't have bears, or the bears are like emasculated?
Korea doesn't have bears.
You've been to Korea?
Only Kim Jong Un.
All right, okay. Now listen, shoo. The band is called Monster X. The
Okay.
song is called Love Killer. They've got 34.6 million followers.
On
Right.
Instagram.
34.6 million views, I'm sorry, on YouTube.
Okay.
The question is this. I asked you a question yesterday, and Rohan, you said no. I asked you, do you watch superhero movies while I was driving? You said no.
No, I don't.
However,
हाँ.
this could be even a wild guess, and you could probably get it.
Yeah.
Question मत
They
पूछो आप.
are
भूमिका ही दे रहे हो. हाँ.
they are enacting a scene from a superhero movie. The first scene, जब वो school bus आता है, he opens the door and he says whatever he says. Which movie are we talking about?
I've watched just one superhero movie in
No
my whole
chance.
life. एक सुपरहीरो मूवी पूरी जिंदगी में देखा है मैंने.
What is the movie?
Deadpool. I'll just go ahead with Deadpool. आप बताओ.
Okay, I'll give you a hint
हाँ,
because you guys need it.
हाँ, of course.
All right.
Yeah.
So there was a movie which came sometime back where this person has a problem who actually laughs without. It's involuntary act of the body. Yeah, who does that in a superhero?
Joker.
Correct.
Batman, the Dark Knight Rises.
Oh, Jesus Christ. So they were enacting the bank robbery scene from the beginning of the video.
So
from
अच्छा, so बताना क्या था?
The Dark Knight Rises.
अच्छा, ये बताना.
Oh shit! एक भी मूवी
मैं हिंट दे रहा हूँ शायद. मैं हिंट दे रहा हूँ आपको यार.
No, मुझे जोकर अब उसके बाद मुझे लगा बताना क्या उसमें से वो भी नहीं मुझे पता था. Okay, cool, done.
So it's 1-0. Rohan leads 1 point.
ये जीत गया ना मैं.
क्या स्कूल बस में रॉबरी हुआ था क्या?
So in the original thing, if you watch it,
I watched this scene जो मीम बनता है वो स्कर्ट पहन के जो
नहीं, this is not from the new Joker which has Joaquin Phoenix in it. It's from the one which
Heath Ledger.
Heath Ledger, I think, yeah. And you know the school bus comes in. He says, "You're gonna kill me." No, I'm not gonna kill you. The school bus.
What if Heath Ledger
he's passed?
was
he's
a
passed
part
on.
of-
He's
हाँ,
passed on.
no. What if he's working in a bank? What would his name be? Bank Ledger.
Heath Ledger. Bank Ledger. Oh, such a great joke. Oh man.
We'll keep sprinkling the video with these
Yeah.
jokes.
What if Heath Ledger was in Kodaikanal? Cool Ledger. How was that? Heat.
No, Bank Ledger बोल के कुछ होता है. Cool Ledger बोल के नहीं
तो
होता है.
हीट और कूल यार, हीट और कूल
यार है. Heat है. वो heat नहीं है.
What if Heath
तो उसका
Ledger?
वो काम कर रहेगा जब बैंक में
Jesus!
तो आप रेडियो में काम करते हो तो आपका नाम क्या होता है? जेटा आरसीएस हैं? उसका नाम कैसे बैंक लेजर
उनको क्यों प्रमोट कर रहे हो यार?
अच्छा ठीक है सॉरी.
अगर Heath Ledger was friends of Rowan and Shan, what would he be called?
Normie Ledger.
Laudu Ledger. Curse on him.
Chi, chi,
No,
chi.
he's a
Hey,
good guy, great actor, fantastic.
All right, number 2.
Superhuman. Hit number 2.
You know I'm jump up to the top of LeBron. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy.
Familiar?
Baseball, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey. Yeah, this beach treated like money. This go all alone. I'm into that. I'm good to go. I'm diamond. You know I glow. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause
I've heard this hook.
Yeah.
so sweet.
Where?
What, you fell in love with them? Why are you wearing earrings?
I'll tell you one thing. K-pop is very fortunate that they are in this era. Just 1 decade ago,
Huh.
if they had arrived, this would be the most disliked video on the internet. Because I know such a video. Baby, for example, Justin Bieber's debut track was the most disliked video. And we all know the reason why. Now, as a society, we are more inclusive. And that's a good thing that we are giving every kind of
Yeah.
music a chance.
But I think earrings, maybe you can do without. Maybe you can do without earrings.
No. What did you think? Was it a good visual
See,
experience?
song,
What was it
song
like?
nice.
Well produced.
ऑडियो तो मैं
and-
सुनूंगा. वीडियो की एस्थेटिक्स टॉप क्लास. It's just that artists की styling is not.
It
is
is
not
good like that, huh?
I
It's not
I
something-
do not relate to that kind
Relate
of
to
styling.
that,
Yeah.
because their pop culture is way different
Yeah.
than Indian pop culture.
हाँ, जैसे स्टड्स पहन लो, ओके. झुमका क्यों लगाना?
वही झुमका. That's a problem. That's a problem we've got to address.
No, but look at it this way. Fashion.
No. Sorry.
But yeah,
Fashion, when you get a little tribal, you get a little jhumka.
Right.
All right. So this was from a band called BTS that everybody knows about.
अच्छा ये BTS.
Yeah. So and this was their first English track actually called Dynamite. And before that,
Did you make out one English word from this track?
I was not looking for it. The problem is मैं कोरियन एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं लिरिक्स सुन ही नहीं रहा हूँ.
मैं लिरिक्स सुनने का कोशिश किया. couldn't मैं. That's all I heard. I'm just saying I couldn't make out.
सही
My
है.
problem हो सकता है.
हाँ, हमारी इंग्लिश.
हमारा प्रॉब्लम है.
It's not.
Anytime.
अगर आपको कभी भी डाउट होता है कि इनकी प्रॉब्लम है, BTS की प्रॉब्लम है, हमारी
हमारी
प्रॉब्लम है.
The problem is ours.
you gotta really jog your memory on this because you said I've heard this hook.
अरे यार.
It's impossible that you can hear this hook in the radio station that you work for because they play a different kind of music. Okay? So this was used to promote a famous brand / product which is also very, very famous in India.
Samsung.
And it's 1-1.
Because Samsung is the one Korean company which is famous in India.
nice deduction. बढ़िया था. Good यार.
1-1 because when they released their S20 phone, the Galaxy version of it, they had all the phones going like dynamite, like and it was a thing. So you can watch the video as well. So it's 1-1. Okay, third video. Observant.
Baby, what's the got so bad? I could give you everything, anything, baby, can you handle it? More I done, still don't give a what. Mamero, kiss the thug that all they talk about me. More I know, more I can know. If you, Crasona, no, no, na, na. No, 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 na, na.
Is she saying Nunu? No?
Put him up in the air. No, na, na, na. Like this, so na, na, na.
You said something in the middle of the video. What did you say?
Nunu.
Yeah.
But she was not saying Nunu.
Nunu nanna. Something on those.
Correct.
Nana, she's saying I don't want it.
Nunu nanna.
Or she can say, yeah, it's a small Nunu.
It's a fact.
Let them finish.
अच्छा बताओ.
So this girl is called Jessie.
Jessie.
It's called Nunu Nana. The song.
Nunu
Very
Nana.
simple.
So it can be either Nunu. No, I
Acha,
don't want
acha,
it.
tell
Or
me-
it can be Nunu Nana, which is like small.
Or it could be maternal
Nana.
grandfather's Nunu.
Maternal grandfathers. But why would Jessie sing on it about that?
Who, preference.
Again, this is our problem. BTS is good. Oh, sorry.
अच्छा
Go
sorry.
ahead.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Jessie with Nunu Nana. There was a red car in the video.
हाँ.
Lincoln.
I'm-
Ford Figo.
I want
Mustang.
I want you to. Did it look like a Mustang?
नहीं.
Did it have that emblem?
नहीं.
So then just think about a car brand.
Lincoln.
Which was Lincoln is not the only car brand that you know.
Chevrolet.
Aston Martin.
No.
Maruti 1000. 800 के बाद if they
भारत बेंज.
That's a lorry. आप लोग
407. 407.
थार.
You guys have never been in a car?
Splendor.
लूना.
Those are bikes.
Yulu. Electric car. अच्छा, sorry.
टेस्ला.
I'll give you a hint.
हाँ.
It starts with the word P. And it's not.
Pierre Bono.
No, there's no brand.
Prius.
So here is how it is. Your score is at 1-1. If I go to the second question, whoever gets that answer becomes 1 point extra.
That's how
But
it
the
works.
person who's got 1 point becomes 0.
अरे ये घटिया
ये
टट्टी
क्या
रूल
मतलब?
एकदम
ले।
एकदम वाहियात रूल
It
है.
is my hosting. It is my rules according to you.
आप 0.5 दे सकते हो ना मार्क्स विनर
यार
को.
ये क्या माइनस पे आ जाएगा?
It's Plymouth, which you didn't get.
Of course not. There was no.
Okay.
अच्छा हुआ हमने
अच्छा.
गेस
Okay, now,
और करवा ली
okay,
guess
now
पे.
it's up your alley now.
हाँ.
Number
No,
game.
there's no minus marking.
हाँ.
Over here.
Please.
Whoever gets it right moves ahead. Whoever gets it wrong
stays there.
no loses that 1 point that you have.
ये क्या अजीब सा
This
यार.
is the way it rolls.
हाय लीलाद्री.
Okay, हाँ, cool.
How many views do you think Nunu Nana from Jessie got? See? It's his fist. I mean, his palm. I mean, you can close it.
How many views does this track have?
Yeah, how many views? And remember one thing, guys. You
अरे
can.
कुछ मत बोला मैंने लिख दिया ना.
No,
Now
बोलो.
कुछ मत बोलना.
That these
Hey.
are K-pop universe musicians. all
Right, right. हाँ बस बहुत अच्छा
ये
क्लू
तो
था.
हम लोग को पहले पता था.
This best clue ever.
If you had told
A
me,
most
remember this
unexpected.
guy.
I'm giving you a heads up, you fuckers. Give me the pen. और कवर में कहाँ है? किसके पास कवर है?
आप ही के पास है.
नहीं इधर है.
नहीं, हाँ.
Just between my legs.
Just between the Nunu Nana.
Okay, Rohan, tell.
Show of hands.
56 million.
You?
333 million.
अरे what?
तो अरे उरे क्या बोल रहा है इसमें? Rohan.
You're rocking Nomi's episode for Rohan. Rohan goes
209
90 million views. You're
तो
closer.
इतना कैलकुलेट करेगा कैसे? मेरे को वो समझ नहीं आया.
So 2-0. So see, listen, my rules. My rules.
I'm
will
happy
work.
with those rules.
My
ये
rules
rules
will work.
रहने ही चाहिए थे. Starting से रहने चाहिए थे. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ.
Fourth video again, boys. Listen to me. Be observant.
You know that I believe ya. Give it away, give it away.
What is he saying? Human? What is it saying? What is the name of the song?
But I must
song
admit,
is this-
ये K-pop का must admit that K-pop का audio and visuals is class apart.
Their production values are too high.
Brilliant.
Like, somewhere
Bhai,
else.
there is no way India is
So there
reaching
was-
near this.
So the word that you were saying.
Indians are not even looking to reach near this.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you
उनका
listen,
aesthetics वो even the cards flying. बहुत
everything is
सही
very well done.
Yeah.
Songs
BTS?
called Home Run. You were asking Home Run. The song's called Home Run, and it's from a band called 17. I want to jog your memory back while you were watching this video. You did see a frame where there were a lot of guys and dancing. Can you picturize how many people were there? Because the band,
ये observation है क्या?
their band. I said you have to be observant.
ये observation होती है क्या यार?
The band is called 17. Another hint. I'm not going to
17 people, 34 people,
think about it. There are
20.
The band is called 17. How many members are there in this band? Remember, you get this wrong.
ये क्या हर वक्त ये
You
rule
get
होता है?
this wrong.
This is when you are asking the second question. ना आपका rule कैसे?
Ruk jao. You get this wrong. It's my rules. I'm hosting it.
He's
alright?
like- he's
I'm
making up
so
rules improv.
fucking fed up of losing that I want someone to lose or both of you
I
to
am
lose.
losing anyway. This
Wait,
is
you get this wrong. You lose the points that you have, and the person.
17 people.
Hey,
I wouldn't ask the obvious question.
Acha,
Shai,
acha, acha.
Okay, and you have to jog your memory back to that frame where you obviously you didn't see 35 people in that frame. Okay, so the question is,
How
in,
many
in
dancers?
the band 17? How many members are there in this band?
7.
7.
9.
It's 1-1 to Shrine. The number of band members are.
What are you
Tung nung
counting?
nung nung hang हो गए.
Are you counting?
Tung nung.
13.
13. So I get closer. 13? 13 member band में तो why are they fucking name 17?
You gotta ask them.
Then
तो
why are
आपने
you
as a
saying-
hint हमें क्यों बोला? The name is 17.
The
तो मेरे को
band-
लगा 17s are making music.
That is your deduction. I just asked you, be
यार,
observant.
ये तो-
I
ये
asked
थोड़ी-
you, be observant.
ये थोड़ी be
You
observant.
got a fucking point, Shine. You don't complain. You're 1-1 now.
1-1 कैसे हुआ? It was 2 anyway.
He was 2-0. You became 2-0 because he lost out. He loses 1 point. You get 1 point. It becomes 1-1.
Now? How you like me now? You know what now?
Okay, listen. It's going to be.
The worst rule.
It is not a pitch where you can. Today's K-pop video is not a pitch where you can go out and score runs. It's going to be a tight finish to the end. All right. So the score's 1-1. We are in
There's
the
a-
5th video.
Moving like my Lisa, think you fly, but where you Lisa, Mona
ठीक है।
Lisa, kinda Lisa, needs an ice cream and a treat. Keep it moving like my Lisa, think you fly, but where you Lisa, Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa, needs an ice cream and a treat.
This is K-pop's Tony Kakkar. एक ही लीसा नीसा मीसा आइसक्रीमिसा लीसा पिसा.
I think अभी तक हमने जो बोला उसमें उनको बुरा नहीं लगेगा. But ये सुन के तो
यार बुरा क्या है इसमें?
K-pop आर्मी was against टोनी कक्कड़ कुछ टाइम पहले because टोनी कक्कड़ ने उनका कोई सेट चुराया था, सेट डिजाइन चुराया था. So that's
So,
something.
This actually looks like a Tony Kakkar track.
K-pop.
The video also looks like a Tony Kakkar track.
Shayan Bhatta जा रहा है.
No, one message to
Please,
one
link
message,
in description.
One message to the K-pop army. K-pop army. Shine.
I'm just
रिपोर्ट
saying-
मार के डिलीट करवा दो, हमें नहीं फर्क पड़ता है Instagram. करवा दो. मैं तो कहता हूँ अभी कैंपेन चला लेते ट्विटर।
यार मैं कह रहा हूँ कि they look like Tony Kakkar. I mean, right? No, sorry.
They look like Tony Kakkar.
Sorry, their set looks like Tony Kakkar songs, which Tony Kakkar might have stole. I don't know.
No
And their
fucking
lyrics
way.
looks like.
They are way above the production values.
No.
Okay, sorry.
Ice cream killer. Ice cream.
एक लड़की एकदम सेलेना गोमेज की तरह लगती है।
Selena Gomez is the answer to your
एकदम
question.
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez is the answer to your question.
He went first.
Yeah, that's your observation. Hey, that's an observation. I am saying
So-
Selena Gomez is the answer to your question.
Absolutely.
What?
No, hold on. What's the question?
But you don't get it because I didn't ask the question.
Huh.
So you can't prompt an answer,
However, I said Selena Gomez is the answer to your question.
which is absolutely right.
But you had not asked the question.
One second. There is an
I said is the answer to your question. You made an observation.
So-
I think I get it.
There is an artist who is not a part of this band but appears 7 times in the video.
Selena Gomez is the answer to your question. I completed the line.
Okay.
I get it.
You can't give it. This is cheating.
This is not cheating.
It's
He
cheating.
made an observation. First of all, he says there's a ladki who looks like Selena Gomez. I said Selena Gomez is the answer to your question.
But without you asking a question, कैसे हो सकता है?
I preempted.
that
preempted.
that kind of
That-
shows.
you gotta sort this out
That
when
kind
we
of
get
shows
there.
the level of bad questions that you're bringing in.
No,
onto
no,
the table.
no,
You have
no.
another question? Ask.
No.
इसमें तो कुछ interesting ही नहीं
No,
हुआ.
absolutely no. Just because he's lost it, he's a good.
See,
Niladri sir.
I can show
Hold
this
on,
on
hold on.
camera and you can zoom in.
2-0.
निलाद्री सर, ये आपने question ही नहीं पूछा यार.
That's my
Come on.
capability.
But he said that is the answer to your question.
That's showing how bad the question was.
That-
Ask another question.
No, no,
मेरे पास
You-
subscribers views हैं लेकिन मैं उस route
जाऊंगा
में नहीं.
ही.
I don't want to go there.
Yeah, because I
Okay,
answered.
But you don't lose any point. He just
How?
becomes 2-1 because we didn't go to the second option. If you went to the second option, you
लास्ट
would have
वाले ने
lost.
भी सेकंड ऑप्शन नहीं
Last
गए थे जो
वाले-
आपने मेरा 1 पॉइंट क्यों काटा फिर? मेरा 1 पॉइंट क्यों काटा?
One
हो
second.
गया, हो गया, done.
1-1. अभी score है 2-1.
Why are you going improv with the rules?
Sixth. Again, please be observant. Again, please be observant.
मैं देख रहा हूँ आइसक्रीम के ऊपर क्या लगा है उसके बारे में सेलेना गोमेज पूरे वीडियो में नजर तो आ रही है.
And you said the girl looks like.
Look, Ron, I love you. But he was closer to, he's absolutely what the question had written. So, you said,
मेरे को सेलेना गोमेज पता है, शाइन को सेलेना गोमेज पता है. डिस्क्वालीफाई कैसे नहीं हुआ?
क्योंकि मैंने बोला
because
Selena Gomez
is the answer to your question.
Because you've not even asked the question. I'm not
It's
going to jump the gun.
It's the
How, but I
closest.
did and I won it.
Yeah. Okay, now.
Gratifying.
Okay, wait.
Cheater.
Video number 6. The score is at 2-1. Be observant.
Steve Aoki.
यार ये क्या है यार? Steve Aoki is the answer to your question. अब बताओ.
नहीं, Ron gets it.
I
The same thing. Once you
no,
get into frame.
I said Steve
frame पे आ
Aoki.
जाओ.
Hold
तुम
on.
लोग पागल हो गया. Frame पे रहो.
Hey, I said Steve Aoki before,
And I said-
did not make an
No,
observation.
and he said Steve Aoki is the answer to your question.
I'll
The
tell you what.
same
I'll
way
tell you
that Selena Gomez
I'll tell you
and
what.
Selena Gomez is
I'll
the
tell you
answer
what.
to your question.
I'll tell you what. Here, I said it as an answer. I did not say this person looks like Steve Aoki. I said Steve Aoki.
Niladri sir, now.
It's 2-2. I'm sorry. I have
Yeah,
to. The same thing happened and the
Same
ones
thing didn't happen.
The ones
Rohan made an observation. I said this is the answer to your question.
ये भी
The same-
observation था. Steve Aoki भी है
Yeah,
इसमें.
but-
I never said any of it. I said Steve Aoki. I stopped it and I said
I
Steve
used the
Aoki.
same sentence. Steve
I
Aoki
think
is
you
the answer
should-
to your question. Now,
I think you
Niladri
should
sir,
give an
now
answer
don't
to-
cheat.
You should give a point to both of us.
No, I can't do that. Me being a fair and square guy.
How is it
being
unfair?
born and
I
lived
just answered
in the month
before
of-
him. I just answered before him. I
nahi.
stopped the video and I said Steve Aoki and I said.
And what did I say?
He filled in by saying Steve Aoki is the answer to your
Same
question.
like last time.
Which is
इसमें एक लड़की
absolutely-
सेलेना गोमेज की
Yeah,
तरह लग रही है.
yeah,
सेलेना गोमेज is the
absolutely.
answer to your question.
Hold on, hold on.
Steve Aoki is the answer to
No,
your
no.
question.
I have to.
इसमें एक लड़की Selena Gomez की तरह लग रही was
No
an observation.
chance.
I preempted the answer,
If
the
I have
question
to-
even here.
If I have to give Both of you 1 point.
No.
Then I will be unfair to Rohan. The
Yes.
score is at 2-2. The score is at 2-2.
This is
Niladri
unfair.
sir, please chuck all your observation questions. Worst ever.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Not a
Okay.
lot of people would know it.
now
Do we watch the video?
So the score is 2-2.
We'll watch the video first. We have bhai.
यार ये
Intense.
गलत था. I stopped the
name
video and I made
name
the
the
answer.
DJ or producer in the thing, and it was.
Niladri
answer.
sir, इसके बाद ना
So
पूरा
can we
views
do
पूछो.
one thing? Do not blurt out. Otherwise, you guys.
Everyone would know Niladri sir. Steve Aoki को कौन नहीं जानता?
I have other questions.
From now on, we write down the answer.
Nobody
So no one-
blurts out anything until I ask the question.
No, hold on. Even name the D के टाइम में हम लोग आंसर कर सकते हैं. From
हाँ,
now
हाँ.
on,
We'll not jump the gun.
We'll write down the question, write down the answer in our hand.
हाँ.
Do that.
ठीक है?
Here's
तो
the pen.
पहले जो
Who
Here's-
promoted jumping the gun? Tell me इस एपिसोड में किसने प्रमोट किया है?
Yeah, 누가 내 수저 더럽대 I don't pay 마이크 잡은 금수저 여러 배 버럭해 잠못 익은 것들 새끼 여러 개 거두벌 씹어 죽겠어 에이 거두개 Work that's now 핵심 섭외 els니 맷진
Nice.
All right.
What are they
Good
singing
song.
about?
Okay.
I don't know that.
Can you
But the music and visual. बहुत अपनी तारीफ ही कर रहे होंगे.
can you
जो
can you guess the band?
BTS ही होगा.
Absolutely, BTS.
Yeah.
हाँ, एक ही तो पता है.
हाँ एक ही पता है हम उसी का नाम बोल रहे हैं.
that-
अब एक और है वो फीमेल का. आइयो आइयो टंग 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 टंग. वो ये दो गाने पता है मुझे.
Okay, so the track is called Mic Drop. It's from BTS, and
Nice.
no points for this. But how many views do you think that this track got? Steve Aoki is the producer and the DJ for this. Yeah,
मैं कहूँगा 300 million.
yeah, shine you.
200 million.
It's you're closer. It's 858 million views.
Oh fuck. पहले वाले में तूने कुछ तो
800
So that's what
नहीं मैं
came-
देखा नहीं था. मेरे को ये पता है इनका एक गाना है वो 100 million क्रॉस किया है एक दिन में.
So K-pop is of massive numbers. All right, 1 second before you start video number 7.
Huh.
Again, please be observant and don't jump the gun. Nobody shouts out the answers.
쿠키와 소스의 맛대로 초록 음미하고 내게 말해봐 Taste so good 반응을 모두처럼 딱 모두 자극적인 거 I want it till time of your
Observant.
Cross boundaries 경계 따윈 없어 마치 창조받은 그저 계속 만들어가 새롭게 Because we're one of a kind 누구도 따라할 수 없는 now on game 시작부터
What is he saying? I am. What is the word? This sounds like he's saying I am.
저도 우리 거 잠깐 돌아간다 해도
I just heard hand.
मत करो बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है.
I'm.
इनके कितने व्यूज आते हैं भी सुने ना.
Observe it.
찾게 돼 여기가 쉽지 않음에 무지각부터 싹다 입맛에 다 때려박아 뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜 이게 우리 탕탕탕탕 뚜뚜뚜뚜
Brilliant.
If there was one Indian actor you would put in this track, who will it be?
I would put this guy, the name of an animal, Tiger. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think about the video?
बहुत सही यार.
Too good, no?
Amazing.
That
The
sequence.
transitions, भाई.
So exactly as I said,
Unbelievable graphics.
K-pop videos are fucking mind-blowing, man.
Yeah, बहुत सही है.
So the band
But I
is-
think after a point, I don't know why K-pop music sounds kind of similar. मुझे लग रहा है after a point.
अच्छा.
Da da na do 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 na 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 फिर आपका जो da da na 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 saying the same kindish मुझे लग रहा है.
It's the same genre of music, so
लाइक रैप में जैसे अगर आप सुनते हो तो आप क्या बोलते हो सब तेज तेज बोल रहे हैं सब अपनी बातें कर रहे हैं. बट रैप में जो सुनते हैं उनको पता चलता है डिफरेंस.
कि कोई बोल रहा है
तो-
मैं बेस्ट हूँ, कोई बोल रहा है मैं उससे बेहतर हूँ, कोई बोल रहा है लोग कहते हैं मैं बेस्ट हूँ. This is the difference.
yeah.
मुश्किल हो रही है.
मैं
साथ में बैठ के बहुत
after all
मुश्किल
the
है.
love I received in the previous video, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा बात.
Okay, yeah. What is the question?
There is a brand name that appears in the video. You got to write in your hands. A brand name that appears in the videos, which is very famous in India as well. Which brand are we talking about?
पता देखा है
नहीं नहीं.
Okay, now
लेकिन मैं इंजीनियर हूँ. मैं तुक्का हर चीज में फेंकना चाहता हूँ.
listen. The event that both of you have the same answer,
हाँ.
you both will have 1 point each.
Okay. In the event that both of us are
well,
not
हाँ.
giving the right answer.
तो that is.
Then the next question that I will pose to you, both of you will lose 1 point.
यार ये क्या मतलब है यार?
आंसर दो तो माइनस हुए, आंसर ना दो तो माइनस।
No, so the one who gets it wrong in the second question will lose 1 point. The
Achha,
person who gets it right will move ahead. Now, do you want a hint?
हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ
Deduce it. It's K-pop. It's Korean.
अच्छा.
Figure it out. Which brand are we talking about here? K-pop culture? Obviously, you're not going to have Sharon Plywood. It's not going to be there.
नंदिनी मिल्क।
Nandini Milk, Nandu's chicken. It will not be
Britannia.
there. Yeah. In a show of hands, Rohan first.
JCB
वो क्या होता है? क्या कोरियन ब्रांड है?
नहीं, कोरियन ब्रांड नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा तुक्का वही था।
Philips.
Philips is Korean.
I have no idea.
हाँ
Both of you are wrong.
What is the brand?
Hyundai. I'm probably going to decide this.
अपने मन से। That's the only thing remaining. वरना तो
No, it's an improv way of judging which makes this video much more
हाँ
interesting.
हाँ हाँ बताओ।
I either make both of you go back to 0-0.
कर दो आप, कोई फायदा नहीं है, फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा।
0-0
मेरे को बस
because-
अभी एडिट में 0 डालना पड़ेगा और कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इसका।
Which leaves you with 2 videos which might make it a tie.
हाँ
Okay, cool. ठीक है.
You know what? I kind of changed my mind. It's 2-2. I'm going to go with the second question for this video because we need someone to win a point here and make it more interesting because we are left
Improv
with 2
एकदम।
videos.
पोस्टिंग
Alright?
में प्रिपरेशन नहीं, इम्प्रोव करेंगे।
Okay.
जो मन कर रहा है उसके हिसाब
हाँ,
से।
ठीक है. Tell me.
Let's go with the views.
First of all, can we go ahead if in case it's tied, whoever has treated you better in the video wins it. Just saying. Can we go with this?
Okay.
आप
एक
थोड़ा
second.
इधर आ जाओ।
एक second.
Toilet जा रहे हो?
टॉयलेट जा रहे हो randomly। एपिसोड के बीच में से टॉयलेट।
Okay.
Whoever gets this right goes 1 point ahead. Whoever gets this wrong gets negative. All right. How many views are we talking about for Stray Kids?
बैंड का नाम क्या है?
बैंड का नाम है Stray Kids. Song का नाम है God's Menu.
Stray
Stray
Kids.
Kids.
STRAY.
रैप में जो नहीं कर रहे हैं वो K-pop में कर रहे हैं, सेल्फ डिस।
Stray Kids.
स्ट्रे किड्स।
All right. Who wants to go first?
Go ahead.
अरे बोल दो
यार,
यार।
क्या कर रहे हो?
75 मिलियन।
Up.
500 million.
75 million is closer to 191 million.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes, it is.
It is.
3-1.
मैं कर रहा हूँ. बाप रे
There are
बाप,
2
Rohan.
more videos which could make it a tie if Shine wins it back to back.
눈치는 빠름 인기를 논하자면 안에 입만 아픔 Off boys 남아 boys 싹둑싹둑 자름 우리 이름 들린다면 뚜루뚜루 맞음 Drip drip I said I bust it down top to the bottom
What?
검은색 분홍빛 up in it make it lit like
नीलाद्री पूछे कोरियन में क्या लिखा हुआ है.
वही मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ।
I think the question should be how many times did this lady actually lip sync to a track, which is nil in the video.
It
Which
not.
is a good way of making a video. कि यार sir lip
But I
sync
missed
हो
you,
रहा है.
Niladri sir.
Huh?
I missed you.
Sitting
Yeah.
over there.
I wanted someone to simp along with. Because
देखो
yeah,
ये देखो सिंपा लैंड आ रहा है मैसेजेस पे सिंप वंडरलैंड मैं वैसे नहीं हूँ मैं वैसे नहीं हूँ यार
No, she is beautiful.
She is beautiful.
all Koreans are
Okay.
All women are.
all women are.
all Korean women are
All
women
women are.
all
Women are.
tough okay all right.
Every woman is beautiful.
Yes.
In their own way.
Yes.
अब
This
तो
is the
इतना-
one which stops.
जो भी अभी ये देख के हेट कमेंट डालने की सोच रहा है, मैं भी ये आपकी बात से पूरा सहमत रखता हूँ। एक ही इंसान है जो नहीं रखता है। लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन अगेन।
अच्छा
जाइए रिपोर्ट करके डिलीट करवा दो।
Because he
But
refused to say.
but it will be weird. Feminist अगर देने गाली देने जाएगी तो वो मदर चोद नहीं लगेंगी because वो अगेन फिर अगेंस्ट फेमिनिज्म हो जाएगा ना, फिर वो कौन सी गाली देंगी?
गांडू
नहीं, they'll write one full 5 marks answer.
हाँ.
oh yeah why
You know, then they'll school you कि
and
ऐसे
the thing is
I think I
don't
want to
have-
make all the right noises in this video since I might have compared some Korean track to Tony Kakkar track. So I think we should not kill any animals and eat them. Liberals dream I am.
Yeah. What if right wingers target you कि अबे भाई तू तो ज़्यादा ही feminist बन रहा है, तो राइट विंगर्स क्या बोलते पता है ना फेमिनिस्ट को?
क्या?
कि वो लड़कियों को सिम करने के लिए फेमिनिज्म फॉलो करते हैं, ये उनका आइडियोलॉजी है, ठीक है?
आई थिंक मेन एंड वुमेन आर इक्वल.
यूपी की ऑडियंस के लिए भी कुछ बोल दो ताकि वो भी आपको सपोर्ट करे कि भाई डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस करो.
डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस करो.
हमें तो उनकी हैबिट जो उनको अच्छा लगता है हमें वो बोलना है ना यहाँ पे.
आप लोगों को हो गया?
कोटा वालों को बोलते लेट्स हैंग आउट.
I disagree with the last two
अरे
statements.
let's hang
I
out because
disagree.
कोटा में बहुत स्टूडेंट्स हैं.
Rohan
We can
Karyappa,
hang-
link in description. He has 2 YouTube channels. One is called Rohan Karyappa, the other is not. So दोनों delete करो. Okay.
Okay, once you little cunts are done, my question is very simple. There was an English word, do not shout it out, that kept coming from that song.
ये तो बहुत easy है.
शिट यार नीलाल जी इतने वाहियात क्वेश्चन क्यों दे रहे हो
There
यार?
are 2 English words which came out. I want both the English words. You can't just give me one English word and win this.
क्या है?
This is action and the other one is romance.
Action and romance.
हैशटैग रोमांस.
2 English words make the name of the song. What name of the song are we
Oh,
talking
then
about?
no,
the
you said
band
two
is called Blackpink, and the song name is Pretty Savage. It kept coming. It's not pretty romantic. You guys got it wrong. So when you edit it, you
नहीं
listen
लिखा
to
रहता
it.
रोमांस रोमांटिक हैशटैग जो भी.
No.
एक
वो
बार
सब
मुझे
कुछ नहीं
लगे
था.
तो क्या?
Action and romance.
You know why Rohan is saying Janita? Because he knows one more, he wins the episode.
So
Only
it's,
one more.
so it's 3-1. 1 second. Since you both didn't get it right, we go into the second step, which
you
is
can skip.
I'm going to ask you. Either you guys choose. You want the views or do you want subscribers?
Views.
Whoever gets it right equalizes with the present score of Rohan. So if you get it right, you become 3, but he loses 1 point, becomes 2, which makes the last video a nail-biting finish.
ये क्या?
And what if I lose
Rohan,
it?
aa jao frame mein.
And what if I lose it? What if I lose it?
You fucked.
बेसिकली
winner?
कोई बाहर नहीं हो रहा है यार इसमें. अगर हमारे बीच में 5 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस होगा ना, लास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर करने वाले को 5 पॉइंट मिल जाएगा.
I don't want anybody to be traumatized like the way I have been losing to Shine 9.
I am okay with losing.
No, but I want to make this an exciting
Okay.
video.
इसमें
All right.
कितने views हैं?
350 million.
I've written 325 million.
So equalize to 3. You lose 1 point. It becomes 3-2. It's 133 million. You are closer by 25 million deficit. And yes, fantastic game happening over here. The first time that the normies are a little, oh my god, what a point system. But that's what I devised in the last 2 weeks because I fucking lost 8 normies, Pancho.
विदाउट एनी रीजन आपके 2+ हो गए, मेरे 1 माइनस हो गया. कोई सेंस नहीं है
because
उस बात का.
you didn't get the first question right. If you got the first question right, you would have gone through. Okay, final video. These are the rules.
9A, 9B.
इसमें सही बताने वाले को 10+ हो जाएगा.
9A.
No, 1 second.
Nice.
It's a very simple thing over here. Okay. I have 2 questions that I can ask you. The first question that I ask you, and whoever gets it right is a clear winner. All right.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन.
And second question that I ask you, nobody wins.
भाई ये क्या घटिया रूल है यार.
So the
पहला question में
so
answer.
the hamper from
Stays
Taste
with
of
you.
Kur
Stays with you.
stays with me.
We didn't actually tell Taste of Cool Camp.
Exactly. So I'm just plugging it in. We've got some awesome stuff. We've got some squash and
कई पुली चिली स्क्वाश एंड बड़ा कजाया.
yeah, it's just like it's.
I really like the Bada Kajaya, by the way. That's,
Yeah, we'll-
that's one
That
of my
we'll
favorites.
share. That we'll
मैं
share.
थोड़ा सा आपको दे दूंगा.
Yeah.
The video-
What did I say?
Hold on.
Guru, 1 minute. WhatsApp में मैंने क्या बोला था? अभी jog your memory back. It's going to be really tough for the both of you. आपने सोचा
The
it's going
tough
to be.
part was comprehending the rules,
Yeah.
not the video in itself.
I'll tell you what.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. So you started the video saying I'm not like Rohan who wants to win even as a host.
He's
This
literally
is
winning.
what you're doing.
9th video 9A.
स्कोर का कोई
Scored 0.
ये देखा मैंने. एग्जैक्ट सेम टिकटॉक देखा है मैंने.
Okay, so this song became a TikTok trend.
Yeah.
About girls wearing skirts, even guys wore skirts and did it and all that. So, and you just have to shake your ass. So, मेरा question here है, whoever wins this equalizes.
You should not jump the gun. अपने आराम से लिख के बताना है, ठीक है?
हाँ, nobody jumps the
Question
gun.
is, both of you dress up in skirts right now and perform it. Whoever performs better from memory this step wins this.
I kind of had the same question in mind, so I bought. I'm just kidding. I'm just fucking with you guys. Okay, you saw those two lovely girls?
Yes.
Their
Yes.
sisters, Lauren Birch
Yeah,
and
yeah.
somebody else.
Very pretty.
Her sisters. How many times are they shaking their ass
ये क्या
in that video?
कैसे करेंगे यार
You didn't expect this. Usko dekh. Rohan, what are you doing here? Oh my God.
Done. I think I have my answer. एक और बार
Abhi batao, who wants to go? Listen.
आप पहले इस बार आप जाओ, मैं हमेशा जा रहा हूँ लिखे हुए
16
अरे 16 मैंने भी उतना ही लिखा
16.
टेक द हैम्पर एंड गो फिनिश दिस एपिसोड
what is the answer
I win it.
what is the answer though
It's 16.
then I win it no hold on
देन वी विन इट मैंने भी 16 लिखा है
no hold on then I win it because if the scores are tied I was leading Rohan 3-2
अरे दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले थे आप
I said. So after a long time, the winning streak of Rohan Karyappa has been broken
And
by
it-
the one and only
and
Normie
it
Shine
took-
Bhattacharya. And
It took Hitler like rules
No.
for you guys to beat
even
me.
you benefited from those
3-1
rules.
से मैं 2-1-3 पे आ गया
मैंने
पता नहीं
एक
क्या।
चीज-
फिर दूसरा सवाल पूछ लो ना
नहीं, कैसे?
रुक जाओ मैं आपको बताता
अगर
हूँ।
रोहन ये
Let me
जीतता,
explain.
Rohan would have never allowed
Let me explain. The rules went wild towards the end. Okay, listen, hear me out. Towards the 7th, 8th and 9th question, the rules went wild.
Yeah.
I took the bad part of the rules, where I went from 3, where I was winning,
I told
to
you.
1. Listen. Last में मेरे को लगा आपने बड़ा अच्छा रूल डिजाइन किया है, जो 1 वाला है वो वापस 3 पहुंच सकता है, 3 वाला वापस 1 पहुंच सकता है, कुछ भी हो रहा था। यहाँ पे आपने नॉर्मल रूल लगा दिया।
तो वो लीलाजी का
आप मैं बताऊं आपको एक और सच बात बताऊं
Let him
एक
talk.
और
ladies and gentlemen, the winner for this time's Normie is Shine Bhattacharya. Congratulations, well done, both of you, because this was a very difficult thing.
I will say
know.
that's my
This is
decision. Thank you guys for supporting me and I win this episode. And the point is, in the starting, me and Niladhi were talking about the fact that हम लोग हारे हमको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Yeah.
लेकिन रोहन हारे.
मेरे को भी कहा that's how you've conspired against me हाँ मेरे को हराने के लिए
Okay,
conspiracy.
so this is my favorite. What is it? क्या कहते हैं इसको?
बड़ा कचा है
बड़ुआ कजा है.
बड़ुआ
बड़ुआ
नहीं.
कजा है.
हाँ
बड़ा कचा
लेकिन
है.
उसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं बड़ा कचा है हर चीज वैसे ही नहीं प्रोनाउंस करते जैसे स्पेलिंग
बड़ा कजा है.
बोल दो
Taste of Goa.
And that's really
And-
cool.
And I want to taste this.
हाँ आज कर लेंगे
आज सब कर लेंगे. So this will be shared amongst the 3 of us. Just to be clear, it's my decision. I won it.
Well,
All of these in the link in the description, they are really good, by the way. And I'm not saying because वो हमें sponsor कर रहे हैं. I really like this. All of these.
yes, please look up www.tasteofcoorg.com. If you want the taste of Coorg, this is the place to be.
Yeah.
And thank you so much. Let me again spell it out very clearly in the language of English that Shine is the clear winner today and Rohan losing after a long time. It must be hard for him. It is for a lot of champions, but I'm sure
Thanks.
Rohan will know who the better player was.
Yes, I know. Deep down.
From the host Niladri and on behalf of
Worst
Rohan
host.
Karyappa and Shine Bhattacharya, we love
Vahiyat.
you all. We will see you in the next episode. I will go back to that seat where I keep losing. So yeah, either Shine and Rohan will be hosting. So
Oh, next episode, Rohan is going
YouTubers.
there. You are coming here.
oh, awesome.
रिएक्टिंग टू फनी यूट्यूबर्स लेट्स से फनी ऐसे कर देते
Alright.
बहुत सारा कुछ ऐसा है कुछ एक्चुअल फनी है फनी यूट्यूबर्स हु कंसिडर देमसेल्व्स
Funny.
Pray for me. Pray for me.
All right, see you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
मायने सबकी हैं चाई में सारे यहाँ लौंडे पड़े होंगे मैंने मौके पे ना चौक छोड़े फिर भी मैं रीटार्ट पलटन मेरी चली ऐठन में बैठक पे पत्ते समेटो की चलने तो जी शा फ्लेक्स करूँ कैसे अभी तो घड़ी है जी शॉक प्यार से कहे मेरे भाई मुझे चीता चाय में ध्यान से चीनी होने देना फीका तेल लगा जावे तू का स्वाद जाने घी